Hai guys, ketemu lagi di Mom Abil Channel. Di video kali ini kita mau ngapain aja ya? Ikutin terus keseruan kita hari ini. Happy watching.
A few moments later.
Hai guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sekarang kita sudah berada di jalan. Ini kita mau menuju Jakabaring Sport City Palembang. Kita mau menikmati sore hari di Jakabaring bersama Abil dan Papa Abil. Ikutin terus perjalanan kami guys.
If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it.
Kita bayar tiket masuk dulu ya. Ini untuk pembayaran tiket masuknya di Jakabaring Sport City hanya Rp10.000. Langsung aja kita masuk. Halo semua, Abil sudah berada di Jakabaring bersama Papa. Abil, dadah. Halo Abil, kita lagi jalan-jalan bersama Abil. Jalan-jalan sore bersama Abil.
Living life every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get it next.
A few moments later.
Feel way, push it.
Sepulang dari Jakabaring, kami mampir dulu ke Food Fun Festival yang ada di Opi Mall Jakabaring. Di sini banyak banget makanannya, jadi sampai bingung mau beli apa. Sekarang kita lagi ada di Food Fun. Kita beli bakso bakar, beli ada otak-otak, aneka macam pempek, banyak banget di sini. Ada pempek udang, ada pempek ikan, pokoknya banyak banget deh makanannya.
Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.
Kebetulan di Food Fun Festival ini ada yang jual telur gulung. Langsung aja kita beli karena ini favoritnya Papa Abil. Oke guys, segini dulu kegiatan hari ini. Terima kasih yang sudah mengikuti perjalanan kami mulai dari jalan-jalan ke Jakabaring Sport City sampai dengan mengikuti kami jajan di Food Fun Festival. Buat kalian yang suka dengan video ini, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan komen. Thank you for watching my video. See you next video. Bye bye. Jangan lupa subscribe di channel Mom Abil. Subscribe.